And I kind of want to address some things that I talked about in the Facebook group real quick, just so you guys know what's going on. So today I got an email from YouTube where my channel was demonetized. So that doesn't create ad revenue. And it didn't have a strike against my channel itself. We've seen a lot of channels get or have issues lately. Virtual Devil is an example where he got his entire channel pulled off and had to repeal it and things like that. And so that's basically what I'm having to do. But in the meantime, I have created a second channel. And so just in case this doesn't go well or things, don't progress in the case, I have created a second channel called Brotherhood of the Bat Collectibles. I have included a link down below in the description and also in the pinned comment. If you guys would do me a favor, if you're interested, please click that channel and subscribe if you would. That way, if we need to switch back and forth, we can. I might end up doing content on both channels anyway. I'm going to kind of wait and see kind of how it goes. So I really, the reason why I wanted to bring this up is especially to the members. I know there's a lot of members in the chat. And I haven't been able to communicate this because of the community tab. So anyway, if you are a member on the channel, basically it doesn't let me monetize anything. So if you are a member, the Brotherhood of the Bat member, it's on pause. So I'm able to appeal it June 3rd. So hopefully by then we'll have a resolution. Hopefully it'll go well, and then I'll be able to open that back up to the members. But anyway, I do apologize that I'm not able to do that, especially like the early access and things like that. So again, I do apologize. It basically just paused it, like I said. And again, just please bear with us. We're trying to deal with it as we speak. But anyway, it is what it is. I have had other channels reach out to me. They've been dealing with something very similar. And so basically the reason what happened is I have shared content on the channel, promotional videos from other statue companies. And the statue companies have given me approval to do that. They've been, kind enough to let me share that information, that content with the community to help promote the statues and things like that, which I'm always extremely happy to do. I love to promote everything I can. And basically, and that even with their permission, YouTube has said that I can't do that. I can't do that. It has to have some sort of change to the content. So like our reaction videos and things like that are fine. I just can't post, a video from another company, which again, even though I had their permission, I have to change it. So I have deleted all those videos. So I've deleted 30 plus videos today. And then again, I'll have a chance to hopefully, make a change June 3rd. But as of right now, the standing of the channel is fine. I'll still be able to upload videos, and we'll be able to still do all of these live shows and everything else. But again, just in case things go south and, the channel is pulled or whatever, because again, it's happened to other YouTubers, please do me a favor. And if you would subscribe to the channel, my second channel, down below, and hopefully we won't end up having to use that, but at least that way we'll create a subscriber base, and that way you'll be notified if I have to put content on that channel. So it sucks, it is what it is, but again, I'm just glad that we're able to still do the show and be together here on the channel. So yeah, Archangel says YouTube messed with my channel too. I have a few views and lots of thumbs down. But again, it's just one of those things where I've heard a lot of channels. Again, I've had other channels reach out to me today saying that they've been dealing with this for a year, that they've had other issues. And again, the big shocker thing for me was it's like, we try to be a positive channel here. We try to, we don't cuss, and we don't, we have, family friendly content. So it is very frustrating, but it is what it is. And again, I just wanted to kind of update everybody on what's happened. So pretty exciting, guys, right?
Mm-hmm.
Crazy.
So anyway, YouTube is what it is. And hopefully YouTube will side with us. And I've made the changes I needed to. So I guess we'll see. Anyway, with that all said, how are you guys doing tonight?
Doing good.
Yeah, not
I
bad. I had one video on my channel where I shared someone else's content, and I just deleted it.
So that's smart. You know, and I know that like we're certainly not the only channel here that's done that. There's a lot of, you know, a lot of other channels that do that. And again, it's always been fine by the companies. And so it's frustrating. And I do worry about other channels. I can absolutely see it happening to them. I know like Alex from Rad Titan reached out today and was talking to me kind of in the chat back and forth. And again, because you know, they do something similar or have in the past. So, you know, it is what it is. And again, I was never notified from YouTube that that was a thing. I never saw it. Did you ever see anything like that? I never saw anything specifically like that.
Never.
But if you know, if you haven't had issues yet, you very well might in the future.
Yeah.
So you just never know. So anyway, again, it is what it is. So. Hey guys, thank you so very much for watching today, and if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button right here on the screen and check out these 2 awesome videos. I think you're going to love them. And also please join us on social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. I would love to have you join in all the fun. Thank you guys so very much for watching. See you in the Batcave.